My YouTube channel. This is this is Ryan. He's currently having a hard time. This is Anthony. He's currently hard.
You filming this right now?
Yeah. So
Anthony was like, save that too.
we are going skydiving right now.
Yes. No. We are.
And it's gonna be a good time. And yeah, that's basically all we have to say right there. So let's try not to hit this little kid right there. Yeah, we'll see you there. It's time. Why did we do this?
Ready, fly? There to go down.
Oh. Anthony, remember
Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump.
Bye.
I love you guys.
I love you guys.
I went to class.
What are your names?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
Perfect.
Tell my mom I love her.
Okay, it's...
We're watching the whole way. Hey, can we hold your phone and watch it?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. All right.
Wow. This is fucking scary. We're only 10 feet off the ground and
Yeah, so this is the bullseye that we want to hit, right?
With our head, we'll give you a free t-shirt.
Yeah!
That's $16! Have fun, guys.
Bye.
This is a lot faster than I thought.
Yeah, I thought this was a slow ride.
Oh my god.
Look how many people are watching us.
Hi, everybody! Hi!
Tell my mom I love her!
Holy
Her name
fuck.
is Ann! Bye!
Oh my god.
Hi!
Guys, don't look down.
View.
Just keep on looking. Whoa, what is that city?
Is that my house?
Oh my, guys.
I'm scared. I'm actually scared.
I'm so scared!
Oh my god.
I'm pulling the cord, guys. I got this.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
I'm terrified.
Oh my god!
Oh, I've never held time. Oh my god.
I'm shaking.
Guys, I love you. You guys are my last friends. Oh my god.
Cool. Okay.
Look at that view.
Countdown. Ready?
I got it ready? Let's go!
Oh, hey guys. Oh,
Oh my god, we're really good.
we're flying. Oh my god.
That was
Oh my
so
god.
scary. Holy shit.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my god, I'm shaking.
Oh.
Time for a bath!
Anthony.
I closed my eyes for 1 second because I couldn't handle like.
Okay, Gary.
I got it!
Hi.
I got it. I got this. I got this. I got this.
Get it, Anthony, go!
Yeah!
Okay, guys. Oh, I need more than one of you guys. Hold on.
Father!
Oh!
Okay, guys, go to drop it. Take your feet off the floor. I did not think you were going to hold on to one hand.
Hey, I got a lot of grip string.
Yeah, I can see that, bro.
Oh my
Go ahead and
god.
take your feet off the white bar, guys. How was it?
I
That was
closed my
so
eyes for
scary.
1 second at the top because I couldn't handle being like completely vertical.
I know.
Like the straight free fall. I just
I was,
couldn't handle.
yeah, the free fall. I was just like, oh shit, this is like, this is
Okay.
so. This is what like it feels like.
I love what you're saying.
Yeah, this is relaxing.
I know. I'm gonna fall asleep like this.
Guys, grab onto that one in front of you.
Stand yourselves up whenever you guys can. The ground!
This is how idiots live life.
Wait, why are we doing this again?
I don't know.
Like, if we didn't die the first time, we're gonna die the second time.
I did that before you guys. I was just like, oh, do it again. It's $40.
Yeah, I know.
You guys were like,
Well, no, because no, it's actually like what you should do.
Yeah.
Because you're never doing this again.
yeah, I told you.
Yeah. So it's 300 feet to the top of hold on, that. And yeah, it's the world's tallest. So why not? These guys are coming back, looking thrilled. These people are going scared as shit, and we're going round 2. So yeah, we'll see you up there. You're the last mom I'm ever gonna see. Goodbye, Mom! Hey, that's an osprey. I love ospreys. I know.
Feel like a new person.
Huh? Definitely option A.
I can't believe we're on this again. Like, what the fuck are we doing?
Having fun?
I'm gonna do a nice boop this time, guys.
Oh my god.
Chris, I love you again.
I love you guys.
Oh my God. Here we are. Okay, we're going higher.
You're at the top of the world's tallest sky coaster, 300 feet high. Get ready. Hold on. 3, 2, 1.
I love you guys. Holy fuck! Oh! We did it again!
So is this $5 a third time?
That's how it should work. Just get cheaper every run.